It had to be him in Southeast Asia. It had to be the top man, your Olympic champion and your top qualifier.
Podium also. All of them are great. Daniel Marinov is also a great vaulter,
By the field there?
competing in the Russian Championship.
Oh, absolutely. I mean,
But Daniel
so much
Marinov is
energy
not yet in the
the
level of
audience.
Nikita
And
Nagorny
when you walk
or
down and see
Arthur
the
Dolaluyan
grandness of this
when
stadium
they
and
were in their
the
prime.
athlete lineup is just, I mean, it's
Wow,
It's
warm up for
power-packed.
the double pike of Carciulo.
These are in a beautiful space as well. Really beautiful space. I don't know if you've been
Nagko-concentrate si
getting as
Carlos
lost in the
Ciulo.
corridors as I have been over the last
Nice
several
one,
days. There's a
Kaloy.
lot of getting lost. We think his first vault is going to be the Pike Dragulescu, the famed Rise Guang vault.
Yeah, Pike
If he
Dragulescu or
delivers
Racy
that will
Guang
give him a
vault.
4/10 advantage over any vault final.
Bata-bata pa din for the...
now
Hi,
come
they
back to
start.
Minami Kazuki.
As of now,
He could move up the
Yasan, they
standings.
are
He had two
warming up.
4.8 degree of difficulty vaults in qualification, actually the lowest of any qualifier.
They are warming
But
up
we
before the
do
competition
think
starts.
that he's going to attempt to Lopez with his first vault, which is a 5.2 degree of difficulty. So we might get a little movement.
think they are going to start
ultimately,
now.
Carlos
Not
Yulo,
yet.
Sophia, if he
Still,
hits
still
that Pike's Dragulescu,
warm around.
to
We
look,
have here
because
Carlos
as you say, they don't have
Yulo
the sight of the
of the
apparatus of the
Philippines, 14.750. Relax na naman si Carlos Yulo eh.
Now then,
He is,
Carlos Yulo.
he had
top
been in that
qualifier.
tough pressure during
Are we
Olympics,
going
so
to
he
see
knows already
the
now
Rise
this
Guang,
kind of
the
arena.
Dragulescu
Hindi
that
naman
we
masyado
just
maraming
saw
tao.
from Daniel Marinov, but
Let's go,
in the
Carlos.
tight position. Oh yes, we
Yeah, hey! This is a 5! Oh my God! Stick na mo! Grabe! Panalo! Ang ganda! ah!
my
He
God.
He perfected already this double pike with a twist.
Powerful in equal
Oh
measure.
my God!
anything
I'm
left from this man to
amazed of
surprise
it. Grabe!
Look at
Wow!
the
Perfect!
shape of this form.
Dragulescu in pike
Oh,
position. Wow! Grabe! This guy might be a
He
goal for
looks so
Carciulo
in
if he will do
control
well.
of what
He
is
did
such
well in his
powerful
pike
vault.
position with
And
the
so hard
Dragulescu
to control.
pike.
He looks like he
Then
knows
or
exactly
then
where
he
the
will
landing
be
is.
in the Dragulescu.
That is
Wow!
gorgeous.
Amazing straight
Sublime
lines.
technique.
Amazing technique. The chest, oh good. Chest landing. Hindi naman ganun kababa.
Wow.
Tama lang.
That's a Renaissance painting.
Wow,
of the vault. It's
indeed.
just
Renaissance as in ano ng describe ng
Yes, there will
British
be some deductions. He'll be
ayun, no.
considered a little low as he lands, for
Yeah,
example,
medyo mababa na
but
kaunti yung
it seems
chest.
frankly vulgar to focus on them with a vault of that degree of quality.
Pero
And you can
siguro
almost feel
syempre
the gymnasts of
mahahatak
the
yung
world in
0.1
this vault final,
additional
watching
eh.
him do that and
It's
just
a wow
packing their
vault.
suitcases and going, okay, fair enough, that's it. If you're going to do that,
So this
we
might be
can't compete with it.
Yeah.
tiebreaker kay Arthur
15.2.
Davian. 15.2! Oh my God!
Stick bonus on a reset
Hallelujah!
one. A
I'm
stick
so
bonus on the
proud of
Pike
you,
Dragulescu.
Carlos Yulo.
Give the world a chance.
Wow!
Carlos. Give the
It's
world a chance.
15.2. Let's
Right,
do
we
it
go
now
to
in the
what for him is a
Dragulescu.
comparatively easy second vault, a 5.2
Wow, almost
difficulty vault.
perfect. Indeed. Kasi ano almost perfect talaga. Siguro it
And as
might
long
be
as he stays
15.4 pa
upright,
nga kung mataas na
He
kaunti
will
yung
be
chest
in
niya.
prime position to win the whole
5.2
thing.
with the Dragulescu or Lopez.
Oh.
Yay! Gold up for Carlos Yulo! This gonna be gold, my friend. Woo! This gonna be another gold for world champion.
On this apparatus.
Woo! This gonna be gold for Carlos Yulo. Gold na to, promise. Gold na to. Gold na to. I can say that it's gonna be a future gold. Galing-galing indeed.
It looks so precise.
I'm
Totally.
gold na to. Promise.
he just looks
Medyo may
serene.
kaunting separation of
He knows
legs lang
exactly
sa
what he's
air.
doing. He's probably done
I
this
don't know
vault
how this will gonna be.
thousands
But
of times.
the
And you can see the reps through his
wow.
confidence as
So
he gets onto the
this is a
table,
very great
finds his
one.
landing.
Yung kanyang the push is amazing, very precise.
I think that's
He
a very
goated here in the vault.
good point
Wow,
to make
very
because
great one.
we have to
Meron
remember
lang
this is a
kaunting,
gentleman who's
separation of
spent
legs na kaunti
years
lang.
and
Pero
years
that's
training in the
very
Japanese
minimal.
system.
Before
Went to
the
university
landing.
there.
Wow, ang taas
Very
ng
bright
chest sa
individual.
landing.
He loves language
Those are
and
the
literature,
things sa
has a literature
tinitingnan
degree.
So, great
He
lines,
said after
perfect
the
lines,
Tokyo
hindi
Olympics,
nag-debate,
"I will be
nag-landing
back
sa
strong."
gitna.
Well, he doesn't mince his words. He was absolutely right. His
Amazing, hindi
comeback as
natumba.
one of the very greatest in the world, poised
Yes.
to become one of the very greatest of all time.
I think he will be, wow,
And he has
14.533 is
just flowed into the lead.
acceptable.
14.866
14.866 total.
14.533 for the
Grabe.
second vault.
Arthur
And he has
Dadjan
a
can have,
4/10
even Arthur
gap
Dadjan
over
can
Tommaso
have an
Brignani.
execution
That
score of
4/10
6
exactly
for Vault 2 for Arthur Dadjan. Very
in Southeast Asia.
big congratulations, Carlos Yulo!
Woo!
Woo!
Mabuhay
Mabuhay Pilipinas!
Southeast Asia's favorite son, Carlos Yulo, the Olympic champion, is the champion of the world.
Silver, yes!
How wonderful a final
Lalakas!
that was.
What a match.
Yes, congrats Carlos Yulo. Big congrats,
That's exactly
the
the
friends.
word. It was a match,
So Carlos
wasn't it?
Yulo
That's
rival
the
involved
matches
is Arthur
between those two.
Davian. Wow, congrats Yulo.
Davtyan
Yes,
with a
another goal
rare
for
stick
choice
bonus both
for
vaults,
Chloe.
the only one who
Grabe
achieved
naman.
that.
Good mo kayong ganyan.
And had Yulo
Yes, ganun naman talaga. They're a partner eh. Gold also for Chloe. Congratulations, Chloe.
Artur Davtyan of Armenia wins silver and is once again on a world podium, but it's Carlos Yulo